Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare AMP Global and AMP Futures, two titans of the trading world. So AMP Global is extend its reach to traders around the globe, while AMP Futures is known for its comprehensive tools tailored for the US markets. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for AMP Futures and AMP Global, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go directly to the feature comparison. So when it comes to trading platforms, AMP Features have over 60 platforms for advanced users, while AMP Global have cutting-edge technology with a competitive price match promise. And when it comes to instruments, AMP Features has futures and options on futures, while AMP Global has multi-asset trading including 7 asset classes. And when it comes to technical analysis tools, AMP Futures have extensive tools for experienced trader, while AMP Global has a range of data feeds for comprehensive analysis. And when it comes to education materials, AMP Futures have high quality videos and articles, while AMP Global, they don't specify it in their website. And when it comes to mobile app integration, AMP Futures is not available for multicharts.net, only for that, while AMP Global, they don't quietly have mobile app integration. And lastly, for market access, AMP Futures have US and international markets, while AMP Global has European and US markets. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. And when it comes to commission rates, AMP Globals and AMP Futures have low future fees rates. So they just the same for commission rates. They have low. And when it comes to inactivity fees, so both platforms has no inactivity fee. And when it comes to margin requirements, not specified for both platform. And when it comes to withdrawal fees, AMP Futures have wire withdrawal fees, while AMP Global, they don't specify it in their pricing. So yes, that's it for the pricing. It's simple comparison, so almost the same. So now let's go directly to the performance comparison. So when it comes to execution speed, AMP Futures and AMP Global, they don't specify their execution speed, but let's expect that they're fast. And when it comes to reliability, AMP Futures have a high reliability reported by users, while AMP Global, they don't specify it again. And lastly, when it comes to customer satisfaction, AMP Futures have high quality educational materials and good customer service feedback, while AMP Global, they don't specify it on their website, but expect it just the same with AMP Futures because they're just the same. And yes, that's it for the performance on AMP Futures and AMP Global. So expect that they're the same. So now let's go directly to the customer support. When it comes to availability, both AMP Futures and AMP Global is available 24 hours on 5 days. So expect it to Monday to Friday. And when it comes to channels, AMP Futures and AMP Global both have phone, email, and chat support or channels. When it comes to response speed, AMP Futures is fast via live chat and slower on phone. So go to the live chat. And when it comes to AMP Global, they don't specify it again, but expect it just the same. And lastly, when it comes to quality of service, AMP Futures has trained agent and comprehensive tech support, and AMP Global, they don't specify it again on their website, but expect it just the same, as I said. So yes, that's it for the customer and support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing AMP Futures pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, AMP Futures have low trading fees, competitive pricing with low future fees. They don't have inactivity fees, so traders are not charged for account inactivity. And they have extensive platform options, over 60 trading platforms for advanced users. And they have quality educational materials. They have high quality videos and articles available for traders. And lastly, they have a great research tools. The desktop platforms offers robust research tools. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, AMP Futures have high wire withdrawal fees. So the cost for wire withdrawals is considered high. They have limited mobile app availability. So no mobile or web platform for multicharts.net. And when it comes to narrow product portfolio, only futures and options on futures are covered. So yes, that's it for the pros and cons on AMP futures. So now let's go to the AMP Global. When it comes to pros, they have same competitive trading environment. They offer low fees and spreads. They have access to a range of trading instruments, provides a variety of instruments for trading. They have AMT5 trading platform available. And lastly, they have educational materials, comprehensive educational resources, and help center. And that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, the customer support, they don't have 24/7 customer support available. So that's the only cons I see for AMP Global. Same thing with AMP Futures. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose AMP Futures. So AMP Futures is preferable for traders who prefer a wide range of trading platforms with over 60 options. For individuals looking for low features fees and no inactivity fee. For experienced traders who need advanced research tool and quality educational materials. For those who trade primarily in features and options, and for users who want access to US and international markets. So if you have all of this quality, AMP Futures is preferable for you. So now let's go to who should choose AMP Global. So AMP Global is preferable for traders who are looking for a moderate risk broker with a focus on active trading. For professional who prefer a multi-asset trading environment including forex, stocks, commodities, indices, futures, and crypto through the MetaTrader 5 or MT5 platform. For those who require a broker that is well regulated with a strong market access with low fees, and for lastly, for traders who are not newcomers to Forex and do not rely on passive income strategies. So if you have all of this quality, AP Global is perfect for you. So that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms is prominent players in the world of online trading. AP Futures stands out with its extensive range of trading platforms and competitive fees, making it an excellent choice for experienced trader who demand variety and depth in their trading tools. On the other hand, AMP Globals offers a diverse multi-asset trading environment, appealing to those who seek a comprehensive trading experience across various markets. So choosing the right broker is a personal decision that should align with your trading style, preferences, and goals. So whether you prioritize a vast selection of trading platforms or diverse portfolio of tradable assets, both AMP Futures and AMP Global have unique strengths that cater to different types of traders. And yes, that's it. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct options, and I hope you understand all of the section, especially the pros and cons and the features comparison. And yes, that's it for today's videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.